guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Kiana Marie. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. For those who are returning, welcome back, welcome back. Today you guys, I know you guys are like, Kiana, what is on your head? Oh, this old thing. This is my new wig. It is a 10-inch full lace in the front. Bob is from Luier hair. Thank you, girl, for sending me this beautiful hair. This is one of the more realistic wigs I believe I have. It's something that is not like a fancy glam, let me go to the Oscars wig, but it's like a simple day-to-day, you know, run outside and see a snack or so. But this is like more of a more natural, lightweight, light body. Doesn't feel like you have much on your head. Wig. I really like it. Like I said, it's 10 inches. It's from Amazon, so everything will be in the description. So if you want to purchase this wig, it's $80. It's $80 on Amazon. It's very self-explanatory. I washed it. I have to wash, from now on, I have to wash my wigs with shampoo and conditioner because I hate the smell of getting wigs out of packages. This didn't come in any special packaging. It was a plastic bag. And I feel like you guys know how to put on a wig, so I need to show you all that. I just glued it down with a little bit of glue and some Got2b spray. And then I used some mousse to make this situation proper. Let me show you up close. I don't know if you guys can see the curls. So the curl pattern is very... It's tight curls, but it's not like, you know, you can't breathe kind of curls. If that makes sense. I use this Argan oil mousse. I'll leave it in the description box, but I like using the Argan oil mousse because it has I love the smell of it. I feel like if it smells right, I feel like it's gonna make your hair smell so good. So I feel like I'm in Morocco. Is this from Morocco? I don't know. But I love the way this smells. It's amazing. So I love to use that kind of mousse. And then what I do is I put water, oil, and leave-in conditioner in a bottle. And then I shake it, and then I spray it. And I feel like that, it's like a 3-in-1. It hydrates the hair and makes the hair have a nice shine, as well as squinch up the curls and make them look poppin'. So that's what I usually do for my curly wigs. So ladies, that's a key if you have curly hair. And you can get like this little small bottles to put one of these in your little purse and have, you know, the mixture in there. So if at any time during the day it gets a little, you know, more frizzy, you can just spray that joint down and be like, I'm on my way. So I really like this wig. Like I said, it's not one of my more fancier wigs, but I really like it. It doesn't shed to the point where it's like I'm never wearing this wig again, but it does shed, so keep that in mind. It does shed. But for $80, I feel like it's worth it. I think it's worth a little more than $80, but that's just my opinion. I really do like it. I'm gonna wear it. I think it's gonna be my weekend wig. Well, I'm into this bob for the simple fact that usually bobs, you know, when there's shorter hair, make your face look more round. But I feel like this one, I feel like it's not too bad. But only thing I'll do different with this wig is have jet black. Y'all know I love jet black wigs. And this hair is more the natural hair color. I'm not here for more natural. I'm here for dramatics. And I feel like when I have on dark black, jet black hair, I feel like it complements my face better, if that makes sense. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you learned a lot. Anything that you guys want to know should be in the description box about this. The hair, what products I use, what shampoo, what conditioner I use to get these curls. I read on the reviews that, well, somebody said on the review that they washed it and then it was ruined. I don't know what wig she got, but I don't know any wig you wash it and it's ruined. But so thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video.